Welcome to First Federal Savings Bank's Life Lessons Technology Series. My name is Leann Whitney. I've been at First Federal Savings Bank for 20 years and I'm the Chief Information Officer. Our topic today is CardValet. This is a great card control feature available to our customers who have an FFSB debit card. You can use the CardValet app, which you can search for and download from the app stores. There's also many of the same options available within FFSB Mobile, which is our mobile banking app. In today's world of electronic payments, unfortunately, there are those people who would like to steal and use your debit card information. CardValet puts the power to protect your debit card information and therefore your money in your control. Aside from card security, there are other practical uses of CardValet for card controls. You can limit where your teenager can use their card and also set a spending limit. It's almost like an allowance for the 21st century. For small businesses, you could do the same.
With CardValet or card controls within FFSB Mobile, you can turn your debit card on or off within seconds. Turning your card off means that no transaction, other than recurring, using your card number will be approved. None. When you are ready to do a transaction, you log into CardValet or go to Cards within FFSB Mobile and touch the card on-off switch. If you prefer to leave your card on, there are two categories which you can use to manage your FFSB debit card. In CardValet or FFSB Mobile Card Controls, under Control Preferences, you can manage which locations your transactions are approved. You can choose My Location, My Regions, where you can use a map to create geographic regions where transactions will be allowed, or International, where any transaction outside of the United States is declined unless you specify certain countries. Also under Control Preferences is Merchant Types, where you can enable or disable transactions at certain types of merchants. You could use this feature if your teenager has a debit card and you want to limit their usage to gas stations, or you want to disable transactions to others. You can also control transaction types. Within transaction controls, if you don't want any transactions to be approved for, say, mail or phone orders, you would turn this off. There are also spend limits. First Fed has set daily limits of $500 per day for ATM withdrawals and $5,000 per day for debit card transactions. But you can control the per transaction limit to a lower value. In CardValet, you also have alert preferences. Under alert preferences, you can set to receive alerts for all transactions, which I love because I always know how much was charged to my debit card at a restaurant before the server even returns with my card. You can also be alerted just for select transactions. With this option, you can choose from the same categories I mentioned earlier: locations, merchant types, transaction types, or get alerted for transactions over a certain dollar amount. Alerts are sent as notifications to the device which has CardValet installed. If you have a smartwatch, those same alerts are also sent to your wrist.
So it's that easy. If you ever have questions about using CardValet or features of mobile banking, online banking, bill payment, or any of our other electronic services, feel free to contact your nearest branch location for assistance. Thanks for joining us today for our Life Lessons Technology Series. You can find out more about products and services at First Federal Savings Bank by going to our website at www.ffsbweb.com and follow us on social media. We are active on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and you can find this video along with the rest of our Life Lessons videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks again and have a great day.